Hi, I'm Pam from Pam's Rooted in Green and Pam's Plants 25. This is my little alocasia I just unboxed. It came from Collective Plants. Look here, here's a half moon. And this one has nice variegation. And this one is almost a half moon. I'm really happy with this plant. I'll put it in my room with my other alocasias that are in stratum. In a few days, I'll pot it in stratum. I'll give it time to acclimate to my place. And thank you for joining me in seeing this new plant that just arrived. Hope you have a great day. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope to see you again soon. Bye-bye.